Hi, welcome to SS Bhushan's channel. I am SS Bhushan. Today we shall deal with conjunctions, that is grammar lesson 27. In my earlier class, that is in the grammar class 26, we learned coordinating conjunctions. What is meant by a coordinating conjunction? A conjunction that is used to join two clauses of equal rank. Now coming to the subordinating conjunctions. Here in this chapter we shall learn about the conjunctions that are used to join clauses of unequal rank. For example, there will be a main clause or an independent clause which can stand on its own, and there will be a dependent clause or subordinate clause. Now coming to what is meant by main clause. The clause that can stand on its own is called a main clause. The clause which takes the support of the main clause for the full meaning of that entire sentence or clause is called a subordinate clause, or it is also called as dependent clause because it depends on the main clause for its full meaning, for complete meaning. Okay, now coming to the subordinating conjunctions. What is meant by a subordinating conjunction? The conjunction that is used to join a main clause and a subordinate clause is called a conjunction, is called a subordinating conjunction. Now coming to this sentence, let us take for example, I will watch SS Bhushan's channel if you recommend it. Okay, I will watch SS Bhushan's channel up to this. This is called MC, main clause. Okay, but coming to this one, if you recommend it, if you say or if you advise me to watch SS Bhushan's channel, I will watch it. Then this is called subordinate clause. This is called main clause. And to join this main clause with the subordinate clause, we used the conjunction if. If. This if is called the subordinating conjunction. Okay? Because this can't stand on its own if you recommend it. If you say, so what should I say? What should I recommend? I will watch SS Bhushan's channel if you recommend it. If you recommend it, what? If you recommend SS Bhushan's channel. Okay, so this if you recommend it is called subordinate clause, and I will watch SS Bhushan's channel is called main clause. And this subordinate clause depends on this main clause for the complete meaning. And there is a conjunction that is called if to join these two clauses of unequal rank. Now, these subordinating conjunctions are mainly categorized into two types. That is, those introducing clauses which are used like nouns. Those introducing clauses which are used like nouns. For example, in place of a subject, we use some Ramu, Raju is a good boy. That Ramu or Raju is said to be a noun. So that is also called a subject. So in its place, if we use a clause which begins with that is called a noun here. Those introducing clauses which are used like nouns, the clauses which begin with that are used like nouns. So it can be said as noun clause. That is a different issue. So this is one category, and the other one is those introducing clauses which are used like adverbs. This is another one. Okay. Now coming to the first one, those introducing clauses which are used like nouns. He informed us that the principal had gone. He informed us that the principal had gone. He informed us is called the main clause. That the principal had gone is called the subordinate clause. And here in this sentence, that is called a subordinating conjunction. Okay? Because this that is used as a noun for the remaining part of this sentence. So this is introducing the remaining part. He informed us. What did he inform? He informed us that the principal had gone, the headmaster had gone. So this is called subordinating clause. And this clause is almost used, this word or this conjunction is almost used like a noun. Next one. He wrote to us that he had published a book. So in this sentence also, this that he had published a book is said to be a subordinate clause, and in this one he wrote to us is said to be a main clause. Tell the students that the speaker would come. So that is called the conjunction, and here the tell the students is called the main clause. Tell the students that the speaker would come, that he had published a book, that the principal had gone. So these are used like nouns. Okay, now coming to the next one. Those introducing clauses which are used like adverbs, they are used like adverbs. In my earlier class, in my grammar chapter, I forgot the number, but in the grammar chapter of SS Bhushan, kindly go through the adverbs chapter, in which I had dealt with all kinds of adverbs very clearly. Now coming to this, these are used like adverbs. So what kind of adverb? Let us, I divided this sentence into two parts, almost the board into two parts. Here I have written the principal clause or the main clause. Here I have written the subordinate clause or the dependent clause. Okay. Now coming to, I will make a video when I find time. When I find time. When I find time, what will I do? I will make a video. This I will make a video is called main clause. Okay. And it is joined. And this one, when I find time is called subordinate clause. This I find time is joined with I will make a video with the conjunction of time, that is when. With the conjunction of time, when. When I find time only. Or we can begin with we can begin like this also. When I find time, I will make a video. So that is a different thing. But anyway, you have to remember that this is a conjunction, a subordinating conjunction which indicates time. Next, make hay while the sun shines. Make hay, that means do arrangements or try to earn something, then the sun shines, while the sun shines. So this while is said to be the subordinating conjunction, subordinate conjunction. Next one, Srikanth called at the office as the clock struck 10. So this as is called the subordinating conjunction. Do it before you leave the office. This before is said to be the subordinating conjunction. Next one, Bhaskar returned home after he had done the work. After is said to be subordinating conjunction of time. Next, it is dull in my village or in my town since my playmates left the village. Okay, since adverb, subordinate conjunction of time. Next, I waited for Vanita until she came. Until, this until is a conjunction which joins this. I waited for Vanita and she came. Okay, I waited for Vanita. How long? Until she came. Next one, another one. Those introducing clauses which are used like adverbs, that adverbs of place. Sucharita found her ring where she had left it. This where is said to be place. Okay, conjunction, subordinate conjunction of place, which indicates place. You can sit wherever you like or wherever you feel it is comfortable. Next one. So this wherever and where are said to be adverbs of place. So subordinating conjunctions of place which are used like adverbs. Next, reason or cause. Pandu will succeed. Pandu is the proper name. Pandu will succeed because this expresses reason, or cause because he has worked hard. He has worked hard. This because he has worked hard is called a subordinating conjunction. And this depends on this main clause. And this one expresses a reason because Ritu will study MBBS since her mother desires it. She is not studying for her sake. For her mother's sake or for her father's sake, she is studying. So Ritu will study MBBS since her mother desires. So since is said to be here a reason, a conjunction of reason, subordinating conjunction of reason. Next one. Let us go for a walk as soon as let us go for let us go for a walk as it is 5 o'clock. Yeah, I think it is not visible to you. Just once again you can see that Pandu will succeed because this because is said to be subordinating conjunction of reason. Since is said to be subordinating conjunction of reason. Next, as is said to be subordinating conjunction of reason. Next, I am glad that you watch my channel. This is also subordinating conjunction. Okay. Now, coming to the other categories or classifications, we shall deal with the remaining also. Now, you can find on the board purpose, subordinating conjunctions which indicates a purpose. Bhushan works that he may get a Padma Bhushan medal. Okay, I am not too greedy, but anyway, that indicates a purpose. Sharad Pawar took medicine in order that he might recover, or in order to he might, in order that he might recover. Sharad took medicine so that he might recover. He walked with a stick lest he should stumble. Lest means for fear that. Here after lest you have to use should only. I mean this construction is right. Lest he should stumble means for fear that he may fall. Here stumble means he may fall. Next one, subordinating conjunctions which expresses results. Mamata talked so much that she herself, Mamata talked so much that she herself made horse. That means she became rough before the public. So that is said to be conjunction, subordinating conjunction of result. Next one. So good a man was Ravi, or he, so good a man was he that all loved him, all respected him. That is said to be a result. That means he is a good man. The result of which is that all loved him, all respected him. The result of talking too much about PM or CM or somebody else, that she herself became horse. Next, Padma behaved in such a manner that all disliked her. The result of behaving improperly is that all disliked her. Okay, that is said to be here result. Next one, condition. I will give a lecture if I am allowed. In our day-to-day usage also we use this ifs a lot. So this if is said to be condition. I will give a lecture is called main clause. Okay, next one. The police threatened to beat him unless he confessed. Confessed the guilt or crime. Buji agrees to the conditions provided you will sign on the papers, or provided that, both are right, provided that. There are these two are different conjunctions, but actually gives the same meaning, provided that condition only. Next one, you must leave the meeting whether you wish or not. That means under any circumstances you should not be here, you have to leave the meeting. So this whether is said to be subordinating conjunction of condition. Next, concession. Banu is an honest man, although he is poor. He is poor, but that quality doesn't intimidate him or doesn't make him to be dishonest. Though he is poor, he is an honest man. So Banu is an honest man, although he is poor. This though or although is said to be or are said to be subordinating conjunctions of concession. An MLA is an MLA, although he is an illiterate. Who cares whether he is a literate or an illiterate, whether he is a postgraduate or a doctorate? Nobody cares. So an MLA, we elect him because he stands for a particular party, we elect him. An MLA is an MLA, although he is an illiterate. This although is to be a concession. Okay. Next one, comparison. You can find here comparison. Chakri likes you as much as I. Even if I stop with this I, it indicates that this likes, the verb form likes follows it. That means Chakri likes you as much as I like you. Here we can understand that adverb, this is comparison of equal degree or same quality compared here. That means I like you and Chakri also likes you. Next, the river is as deep as the hills are high. Here, different quality is compared. River is deep and hills are high. But here the comparison is of equal degree with different quality. Next one. Now coming to the other one. Unequal degree but same quality. See, Chakri likes you more than I like you. That means Chakri likes you and I too like you. But Chakri likes more. So here you can understand that unequal degree, the quality is same. The quality of liking or loving is same. The river is deeper than the hills are high. So here different quality is compared. But here the river is deeper than the hills are high. This comes into the category of unequal degree of comparison. So here this then, as, this one as, and this as are said to be subordinating conjunctions of comparison. Okay, is it visible to you here? Next one, last one is extent or manner. Extent, the function ended as we expected. So this is about extent or manner. In what way the function ended? The function ended as we expected, as we guessed. Okay, so these are subordinating conjunctions. Okay, so with this the conjunctions chapter can be concluded. I request you all to see that SS Bhushan's channel is subscribed, and also the links of SS Bhushan are shared to all of your WhatsApp contacts. Thank you.